Welcome to Lang Academy. Join in with some shadowing practice. Follow my voice, repeat every phrase, and feel your English grow. Let's start. Do you like movies? Do you like movies? Yes, I love movies. Yes, I love movies. No, I don't watch movies. No, I don't watch movies. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? I like painting. I like painting. Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? Sure, go ahead. Sure, go ahead. I don't know. I don't know. Excuse me. Excuse me. What is this? What is this? It's a pen. It's a pen. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have 2 cats. Yes, I have 2 cats. No, I don't have pets. No, I don't have pets. What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season? I like summer. I like summer. I prefer winter. I prefer winter. My favorite season is spring. My favorite season is spring. Summer is very hot and sunny. Summer is very hot and sunny. I like going to the beach in summer. I like going to the beach in summer. Autumn is my favorite season. Autumn is my favorite season. Winter is cold and snowy. Winter is cold and snowy. I enjoy building snowmen in winter. I enjoy building snowmen in winter. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I am busy now. I am busy now. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I am learning English now. I am learning English now. Have you been here before? Have you been here before? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. No, I haven't. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? I am tired. I am tired. I am happy. I am happy. What is your favorite book? What is your favorite book? I like reading novels. I like reading novels. I like to read mystery novels. I like to read mystery novels. My favorite books are science fiction stories. My favorite books are science fiction stories. They like to watch sports matches on TV. They like to watch sports matches on TV. Hi there. We've reached the end of our lesson together, and I just want to say a huge thank you for learning with me today. I really hope you found this helpful and that you're feeling more confident now. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There's so much more we can explore together, and I'd love to have you join our community. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep up the great work.